Yeah, we good to go?
Alright, welcome to Insurgency Sandstorm. So today is going to be special. Why? Because we're doing Siege again. I know, I'm just uninspired with this one, but, you know, I have Insurgency Sundays. I might just make it Insurgency/Siege weekend or something like that, but... so today we're doing Siege roleplay again, guys. Woohoo. What are we doing? What I'm doing is, so the Pathfinders are from very real, units in the real world. At one point, believe it or not, it was a grounded military game, like Spec Ops shit, tactical shooter. So today we're going to be talking about some of the loadouts we can recreate. Where's that fire coming from? We're going to be talking about some basic loadouts that I just whipped up, based off the 4 Pathfinder units. So this is going to be the GIGN, the French counterterrorism unit. So I have, you know, you probably recognize the FAMAS F1, although they have the F2 from the game. It's a neat little gun, very ammo intensive, very ammo intensive. I mean, you just saw right there, I just magged on that whole thing. I didn't throw a sight on it, probably should have, if it was one of the more modern FAMAS builds thing. You know what I'm trying to say? But it's already so tall, like this one like they have in the game, it's just... that forward grip is so tall. So I grabbed that FAMAS. I just have a loading grip. Let's see here, actually. Yeah, I can't see it. Loading grip, because like I said, it's very ammo intensive. And I couldn't afford the recoil grip. Then for the secondary, I noticed they have a lot of... I noticed that the Pathfinders all had the same revolver, and then I believe there's one other. I think it's... okay, I don't remember who exactly has it. But somebody has the revolver other than the Pathfinders. That's not important. But basically, so I just grabbed the revolver. Pretty sure it is not, you know what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm trying to say. Pretty sure they also... that was unfortunate. Pretty sure they also use the SIG 229, I believe it is. Which the SAS also uses when you get there, but we'll get there when we get there. So I just chose this one to get some difference in it. It's very neat that, you know, these counter-terrorism units were at one point still, you know, issued with... what's the word? With revolvers. Yeah, that's neat. That they would still equip their special counter-terrorist units with... man, I would love an optic right now. With revolvers. I kind of had similar ideologies with revolvers back in the day with, you know, the rugged reliability and all that. Damn. Over capacity, like with semi-autos. Alright, here's the FBI segment. FBI/SWAT because Castle has some SWAT aesthetics, but this is just what SWAT would do. Again, I just prefer this oppressor. You know, in Siege, Flash Hider is king. Same thing with the Hollow Point. Not the Hollow Point, the holographic EOTech. EOTech is king. But I don't know why. I just personally prefer the 8T. I don't know why. I don't know why. It actually takes up more of the screen, too. But yeah, just recoil grip on this one. Just simple M4. Now, the FBI did a thing with their sidearms trying to get, like, power, where they decided they needed a 10 millimeter, a 10 millimeter round, and then they were like, wait, no one can control 10 millimeter recoil, so they made 45 Smith & Wesson. I just have the 1911 for, I figured it would be a... Figured it would be a good analog. Very loud. You see why I like the suppressor so much?
Good shit.
Good shit? Yeah, very simple. M4A1 is probably... I didn't do too much research on this one. I just went with what they probably used. Could have gone with the shotguns, but, you know. This is just fine. This is just fine.
Okay, let's go.
I don't think anybody's mad about me picking the M4 for the American build. I was tempted to go with the M9 just because I like it so much, but because they're technically FBI units. FBI/SWAT. Excuse me. Had to get some food in me. I don't know what it is about chicken, but every time I eat chicken, I ended up hungrier than I was before. Yeah. And then I just grabbed the incendiary for objectives. Nothing too much about that. Technically it's thermite, so I could say it's lore accurate for FBI, but everyone else has it, you know. There's no poison gas or mute jammers or shumishkas. Well, I guess I could have fucked around with the Molotov and say it's a shumishka.
Look! Gonna burn it. Yeah, I'm on Bravo.
And burn it shall.
Good work. Bravo's gone.
Hey, Clearic! Can you get Clearic over here?
Observer, this is Station. Understood, they'll be there soon. This is Cleric. I'm on location. Moving to your target.
Oh, we have cover. Alright, hell yeah. Once we clear the house, it's pretty much cleared.
Engaging target.
Taking charge.
Target down. That's six.
Yeah, we're just fucking them up over here.
We're finished our run. Gonna head out now. Back out.
Alright, now we need to lock in. Now we need to lock in. Gotta defend this ship for a full minute. Again, gas mask, it's definitely more lore accurate for the, SAS, but everyone's getting it because, you know, we're in a different game, and, you know, gas masks actually do stuff.
Give yourself up!
Bird is on its way back. Take care, guys. Station out.
Shit!
What the fuck was that? What genuinely, what did my teammates throw a grenade?
Let's do it!
Let's do it, guys.
They're taking Charlie!
So if we just get him off Charlie, I'm pretty sure we'd take it. But that means we have to actually get there and take Charlie and hope our teammate doesn't die and give the point up. I mean, I wouldn't mind, but... Just don't give up the ghost. Shit, I gotta get on the point now.
On the ground now! Fight me, you coward! Fuck you! Выходи, гондон! Смотри! Сдохните!
Alright, and this is the Spetsnaz, so this is Kapkan, Tachanka, Fuse, and Blaz. Not the AK-12, but we have the AKM, 7.62x39 over the AK-74, which is 5.45. That's just a preference. The AKM 7.62 has more power than the 5.45, but the 5.45 is a bit more accurate at longer ranges, which, you know, if you're in a building like these counterterrorism units, like the FBI SWAT is probably the special... is probably, you know, Spetsnaz counterterrorism and FBI SWAT counterterrorism. You know, these places have a lot more, those are more specialized counterterrorism units that we're playing as, so just being in the building, you know, you might not need the accuracy as much, so I'm grabbing AKM. You know, it's fine reaching out, and 5.56 is better at range, but it's just what we've been using. And then, of course, the Makarov, it's free. It's not what they use.
I'm up! All clear!
Holy fuck, young man. Oh.
Open fire!
Oh, I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. But no, I'd rather have this.
They hit me! They're dead! They're dead! Shoot!
Yeah, and then Macro, I mean, it does plenty of power in Siege. It's like 68 damage. It's fucking outrageous.
Yeah, we're secure and reloading!
Alright.
Good work! Yeah! We just... over there. We have contact. I'm a Charlie, guys. Man down. Wait, hang on. I'll move in.
Now this point always gets smoked out, so I'm throwing on the gas mask. And here we're seeing the power of a warm-up, guys. GIGN was the warm-up round. Now I'm just... Still got 4 waves, but we're probably going to lose it. All things considered. I mean, this is just a very tough point, especially for how passive a player I am, and with how, you know, it's going to get smoked out pretty soon. I'm not going to have these longer lines of sight that I'm really taking advantage of here. Shit, they pinched us, dude. They pinched us.
Come on, we gotta get over there.
Luckily, only 50 meters. We can get over there pretty quick on this map. It is achievable. We can win it back. I mean, yeah, this is the fog I was talking about. Just gonna have to throw that somewhere and hope we can. Seems like this is where they're coming from. Going prone here is pretty nice.
Hey, drop your weapon.
Shit, I genuinely did not think we'd win that. I need that thermite.
Helo is now in the area. Moving to target.
Hello?
Friendly helicopter incoming.
Oh, I did not see a guy there.
Get moving.
All right, at the target. We got targets here.
Not sure what's going on with the audio here. Sorry about that. Okay, is it just too... Nope, the volume is just... That's not the problem. Maybe it was the problem. I mean, okay, yeah, it's the problem. The volume's too high. Have to find a happy medium with this headset. I don't know why it's freaking out all of a sudden.
All right, we're all done. We're gonna head back. Back out. Good luck, guys.
Oh, fuck. Alright, so the game's pretty quiet, but, you know, hopefully Hopefully y'all can still hear it and understand all of what's going on and all that.
Good
I mean, the gameplay is really just here to like, hey, look what I did.
Station out.
Yeah, this is power of a warm-up round right here. Did not think I'd make it this far. I thought FBI was gonna be the... Shit. Ah. He pre-fired me. Oh well. Oh, we typically have to defend this site. Don't fuck with me, boy. I'll blow your shit smooth off. And it looks like this is the final point, so I'm pretty chuffed. Didn't think I'd be winning any of the fights today. Yeah, this is the final point. We've done a couple prison ones on the channel lately, but this one and Ministry, in my opinion, are the easiest.
We secured Foxtrot. Shahada, I think they want it back.
They can try. Now would be a great time for minigun support, just saying.
Get out of the open! Enemy mortars! We live through this one. Get them!
Not a big fan of not knowing where I'm getting shot at from. Oh, God, they got the death squads out here. Come in with AM rifles and skull masks, and they just ruin your whole day.
Cover me! I'm reloading!
Oh, damn. He pivoted. I should have just reloaded. I don't know why I decided to get so aggressive there, but... I will not be learning from my mistakes.
Hurry, brothers, yalla!
Skull mask really isn't helping you now, huh? They're upstairs, and I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Sorry about that. But yeah, that was a good victory for the Spetsnaz.
I could be better.
Alright. No. Alright, this is the GSG-9, which is, you know, Bandit, Jaeger, IQ, and them.
Grab your stuff.
I got the G36. I got the G36K, not the G36C. Same thing. I got the recoil grip because that's king in Siege. I got the suppressor just because I like it. Then I have the 1.5 or 1 to 1.5 sight. The German army was given the G36K with they had 3x sights, which are integrated like this. But I've used it in this game before. I really don't like it. It's just very hard to see through. It's a very small hole. So, plus the 1.5 is king in Siege, so I'll probably just be sticking with this for most of it.
Working on Alpha.
Shit. I was just going to reload too, and he just popped into my sight. That's good. Bad. That's bad. That's bad. Yeah, the other thing is the Glock. You know, technically Austrian, but you know, who cares? Who the fuck gives? You know. But yeah, G36. Like I said, I threw the 1.5 on there. I like iron sights. I like iron sight shooting in this game a good bit. Even though I don't do it that much. You know, some sights are good, some sights are bad. I guess it's just a holdover, you know, from when I first played this game. I was like, oh, it's Call of Duty. I use iron sights in Call of Duty all the time. This was fine. Then it wasn't, so now I just like habitually gotta have an optic, you know, just gotta have an optic.
Alpha's clear. We got it. Yep. I'm up. All clear. Fuck! They're an Alpha. Yeah, that's a drone. Loading. I'll frag it.
What the fuck happened? Yeah, the Glock, because the G36 is actually pretty damn cheap in this game. I managed to get a 30 round mag on this thing, so it's like, guess you could siege your way into saying it's basically the Reaper. But I don't know. Seeing IQ with the Reaper would be fucking insane, dude. I'll tell you what. I don't know if he crossed yet. I'm just gonna keep holding the angle. Just got rid of an LMG guy, so. Yeah, just smoking him off this angle, dude. If only I was this good in Siege. These are just bots, though. Players, it's a lot more arcadey. No shot, I actually got that hit off.
Let's go. Hostiles on Alpha.
I gotta retreat and reload this way, bad, dude. This is bad.
You think you lost one? Right.
This is rough. My whole team's dead. I just gotta keep it held, keep it cleared. That was intensive. I'm glad we got past that. I think that's gonna be plenty good for the GSG-9 segment. I mean, I'm gonna be using all the footage regardless, unless something crazy happens. My game starts bugging out again, like it did last time, to start alt tabbing out of itself. Ah! Oh no! Oh, he scared the fuck out of me. No! That is a bad look for the GSG-9. Alright, let's try to log back in after that.
Hey, changing mags.
Usually they say something when they get close to you.
Look!
What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
Knock, knock! Bravo's clear!
Yeah, we typically have to defend. This is a very defend-heavy map. Thinking I'm gonna have to push out. Oh! Oh, I don't even know why I bothered aiming. I should have just started shooting like a crazy person.
Push! Hey, quick apple, fucking spread it out!
Oh, sounds like they're doing smoke artillery, so let's get our mask on.
Gonna burn it!
I mean, we gotta push forward and take them out. Damn, this thing is a good fucking... I should use this more often. God damn.
Hey, man!
Damn. Couldn't even get my pistol up fast enough with the quick speed holster, draw speed, whatever it's called, the gunslinger. Probably should have just retreated out of that room. Man, just heat of the moment, you make so many mistakes, so many mistakes. Yeah, luckily I was able to clutch it back there, out of the claws of defeat. Yeah, I gotta get over there and do it all again. I don't know why I decided to go that way when I only knew about these one stairs up.
Hey, I'm reloading!
Alright, well let's just sit here and hope that nothing goes horribly wrong. Alright, couple good clutches for the GSG-9.
What's your status? I'm up!
Where the fuck are they shooting me from? Well, he's wounded. But wounding isn't enough right now.
Over there! Hey, I'm gonna load up!
Unfortunately, nothing has the same mags as the G36, so I can't. It's a Battlefield pickup, so I'm stuck with these 3 mags. Oops. Where were they shooting from? Oh, they were above me. Alright, this is the GSG, or not the GSG9, this is the SAS segment, the SAS Counterterrorism Force. So first of all, we're going to put on the gas mask, because that is lore accurate, as we talked about earlier. I have the LA-85, I just like it. The SAS Counterterrorism used a lot of, what's the word? Oh, fuck. I didn't even see that guy. They used a lot more MP5s. I'm sure, as we saw in the raid on that one, I believe it was the Iranian embassy, they used MP5s with big old flashlights on them. But I just like the L85. I just like it a lot.
Ah, shit! Grenade out! There! Throwing grenade!
And then, of course, the SIG 229, as we talked about. Fuck. Of course, the SIG 229, 227, something like that, that we talked about earlier during the French segment, the GIGN segment. It's just neat. It's very prolific. I'm pretty sure the GSG9 also use it, but, you know, this is... But, you know, I'm trying to diversify, just trying to show you as many cool things as I can. LA-85, I have the combo sight on it, so this is all 4-power. I don't know why our commander's Canadian, considering your SAS. Yeah, very rudimentary sights, I will admit, not the T-post that most people are used to. I mean, I like it. I think it's fine for this game, but not for reaching out and touching people. And then, like I said, Thermite, just because it's Insurgency and it's good.
What the hell are you doing, you mughaffal? I'm on your side, damn it! Stop! Stop that! This will blow! Okay, we destroyed Alpha!
This is a very destruction-heavy map. You know, both of the objectives are destructions of A and B. You got to be a little careful for.
Look out! I'm throwing a grenade!
I did just totally mag dump people there. I'm sorry. Gotta be better about ammo conservation. But yeah, this is a very good place to peek. Get those R6 angles, bro. Usually you can snag somebody hiding through these little corridors. Just gotta be careful with it. I think we're gonna have to go in with sights. They're being sneaky. I like that they include how hard he has to smack that, How are you alive? I like that they have to include how hard he has to smack that, bolt release. Because that was a big thing, the bolt release was very sticky. The L85 was just plagued with issues. You know, just bad materials being used to make it, stuff like that. Just imagine a bad thing and it happened, like the mag release, or the safety was very sticky, so there was no really switching it like you can in this game where it's just like that. Where you can just switch it over and over like that. So most people just had it set to like either full auto or... the SUSAT's very heavy, which is the optic of the SUSAT, very heavy, not very good, as I already talked about. Reticles, okay, reticles fine for what we're doing here, but... I already said bad materials. The the mag release would sometimes bump up against. It was the would sometimes bump up against the webbing, and people drop their mags and not notice until they needed to use it. Same thing with the bolt release. It's very stiff. Or opposite things with the bolt release. It's very stiff. There's some other stuff. I remember hearing a story from somebody who was serviced with one, and they unfortunately tried to take their life on patrol one day, and their gun jammed. They had to go the rest of their patrol with a jammed gun. They couldn't report it because then the armorer would then you have to explain to the armorer how we know that the gun jammed. For sure, it was like the firing pin broke or something. Yeah, just stories played on it. Probably could have gone with the MP5 for more SAS counterterrorism, but I just wanted to use the LA85 because I like it. I like it. I like the way it looks. I know there's two companies. I believe it's Brownells is making a conversion kit for their BRN 180 to turn it into what looks like a modernized L85. There's also another company that I can't remember the name of that's all trying to make a. They're trying to make a like a one-to-one, like a true replica for the American audience, because it was a military weapon. You couldn't just get it when it was active service, and it was into service. Like they're technically they're on like A4 now, but
Okay, let's do it.
there's just so much. There's so much to it with 1986 Cannon machine guns. It was in service for a while, stuff like that. Yeah, I do want to get my hands on one of those replicas eventually. I do like the BR 180, so maybe like a conversion kit and just have it set like that standard, but... Really? You almost always have to defend this point. We're getting lucky. Where's that ammo box, dude? Where's all this fire coming from?
Cover me. I'm reloading.
Luckily, this one is mag. I can use both mags if I find an M1 on the ground. Thought I lucked out there for a second. How is he still alive? I just dumped like 2/3 of it. I just dumped 20 rounds into that guy. I don't know where my team is, but they are slow as a motherfucker. And I took the scenic route, so that says something. Let's just go here to hide for a second. I don't have the ammo to fight my way out. I mean, I technically have the SIG, but... this thing gonna explode? Are you fucking me? It didn't blow up. This is gay as AIDS. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be saying that, but it's true. No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
Explosive ready.
I mean, if we're gonna get 2 successes in this video, that's gonna be crazy, dude. My runtime's gonna be hell, but I'll tell you what. Why are they just in the parking lot like fucking zombies? Don't you guys have fucking cover to be seeking? Jesus. Who the fuck threw a grenade at each other? Taking a whole new fucking meaning to hot potato. Holy shit. They are zombies. Holy hell, they're just coming up from everywhere.
Check your weapons. Yalla, yalla.
Oh, almost forgot my SAS mandatory gas mask. Silly me. They're in there, so I'm going to try and take advantage of this car. Moving back in on full auto. Smoke. Now usually this takes all this part takes all of my bullets once we get to defense, so I'm gonna. Who is screaming that? So I'm gonna switch into semi-auto, try to save some ammo. Every bullet counts.
Let's go.
Usually they come through here. I already got my gas mask on. I'm ready for it.
Shells incoming. Find cover.
It's the fucking death units. They're back. I need to get back to my sight line. It's the one place where I can see all the enemies, dude. They usually don't smoke this place out this heavily. Usually they just use grenades. Fuck me. I don't know why I decided to try and push up like that and get aggressive. I should have just backed down. I should. Well, you know, it's always just shoulda, woulda, coulda. Sometimes, I'm trying to show that, like, I'm not getting mad at the game. Because when it's just, like, dead silence, it might come off as, like, oh my, hello, holy shit. That was fucking terrifying. I didn't even realize it was him until I saw the Adidas stripes. Yeah, I try to show that I'm not mad at the game by explaining that. Just like, you know, what I could have done better. Maybe, you know, other people will listen to my advice, but sometimes it just doesn't happen. Sometimes it feels like maybe I'm just whining. I don't know. Why am I always out of ammo on this damn gun? I thought we was gonna have this problem with the flood. Guess I just wasn't in the French loadout long enough for it to be a problem. Always out of fucking ammo on this thing. It's the fucking death squads. I haven't actually seen them in a while. They genuinely unnerved me when I saw them in the Spetsnaz segment. Shit, I wish I had like a frag right about now. Gonna have to drop it just so I don't fucking start a burst I can't finish. Oh my god. Oh man, that was good. And I do think that is the last of our games, so like and subscribe, all the good stuff. I'll see you all in the next video.